Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and I made drawers for a desk I built last summer. I had built in a storage area, but it was awkward and hard to see into, and it looked bad. Since I already had a CAD model for the desk, I modeled the drawers to fit into it. Then I bought all my materials and got to work. To start, I cut all the wood parts for the drawers and a vacuum former I'll use later. I sanded down the edges so they wouldn't be sharp. Then I used a combination of wood glue and nails to attach the boards together. I test fit them in the desk, but it turned out they were just a smidge too big, so I had to chisel material out until they fit. Much better. Some wood stain gives them a nice finished color. I wanted to attach these steel bars so the drawers wouldn't hang when I pulled them out. I had a perfect piece laying around that I cut into sections, then rounded out one end to slide easier. I drilled holes into it for wood screws to attach to the drawers, then countersunk those to make sure the screw would sit flush. I always try to pilot drill wood screw holes to reduce the odds of the wood splintering. Next, I wanted some drawer pulls, so I cut some 22 gauge sheet steel into strips, then cleaned off the burrs. Initially, I had planned to weld these threaded rod pieces to the strips, but soldering sounded harder to mess up. These will attach the handles to the drawers. I found household items close to my desired radii to make the bends, then painted them with a metal-specific spray paint. Nice. Mark and drill holes to put them into, then attach with a washer and a nut. Tighten as desired. Finally, I made the vacuum former frame out of 2x4s and OSB. The goal is to shape a drawer organizer custom fit to the items I keep in my desk. Not only was Home Depot out of pegboard the day I went, but I figured more smaller holes would work better, so I drilled them myself. I used a hole saw that was close to my vacuum tube size, but wrapped it in duct tape to help it seal. Unfortunately, my frame was too big to fully fit in the oven, and I should have used thinner than the 1/8 inch acrylic I found, but it sort of worked. Regardless, the project overall was a resounding success. Thanks for watching.